Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully YouTube channel. How are you all doing? This very video we're gonna be making strawberry smoothie. Yes, so what we need in this recipe is a mixer, electronic mixer. You can use a blender, you can use whatever thing you know is available for you. We need the strawberry, and we need 2 tablespoons of yogurt and apple juice, 2 tablespoons. So this is natural apple juice that I made on my own. So if you don't know how to do your own apple juice, or you haven't watched the video, I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can know how to make your own natural apple juice. So don't add excess yogurt to your recipe, because if you do that, then the taste of the yogurt is gonna overcover the taste of the strawberry and the apple. So you don't want to do that. It is not gonna be nice. Yeah, it is not gonna be nice. Please do not mind the my blender blade, because I used it for turmeric. So we all know how turmeric is difficult to get out the stain from anything it's attached to. So this recipe is for 1 person. Yes, so you can go ahead and increase your ingredients if you choose to do it for 1 more person. So I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you. I appreciate all your support for coming back. And if you're coming across this video for your first time, or coming across my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe. It's free. Subscribe and put on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to get notified. So you want to make sure your smoothie is totally smooth, like you no longer see the strawberries anymore. So if it takes for you to shake it for you to get that proper smooth, then do it. I was just trying to figure out if you can see the beautiful color it had, but you know, the light was just not doing justice, or the camera was not doing justice to the color of this smoothie. And here we are. So simple and easy. Wow, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so healthy. This is so healthy. I mean, after taking this, I don't think you're gonna think about eating another food or anything heavy.
The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
So our smoothie is ready. Serve. Feel free to serve with a straw. And ready to sip. This is sweet, refreshing. You can choose to add ice if you want to. I mean, if this is not your first time in my channel, you will know that I'm not really the type of ice. So this is the end of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section about this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like. And see you next time on my next video. Bye.